Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all fine and doing well. At first, you have to draw a straight line of 15 centimeter, then you have to draw a line of 8 centimeter, 7.5 meter wide, then you have to draw nose 11 centimeter and lips 12 and 13 centimeter. I have done the lining, now I'm drawing the shape of the face. Now I'm drawing the eyes. I'm using BTS Jimin's pic as reference. I hope you will enjoy my video and I hope you will learn something from it and you will be able to draw it. Just have some patience. You will be able to draw it and please practice because practice makes a man perfect. So if you want to draw perfectly more accurately, just do a lot of practice, then you will be fine. And don't get scared if you do any kind of mistake because you will learn from your mistakes. So don't worry about it. Try to learn and have patience. You will be able to draw it. You can also visit my Instagram for more art if you want. You can see there to find some arts that I have done. You can also visit my Instagram. Now I'm drawing the hair. At first I'm drawing the just the shape, that how I will draw the sketches. I mean draw the strokes for the hair like this. At first draw the shape of the head. Now I'm trying to draw the nose. If you're hearing any kind of background music, then I'm sorry for that. I mean background sound, because my mic is so sensitive, so it captures every single sound. So I'm sorry for that. Now I'm removing the extra lines. After drawing the basics, you can remove the extra lines. Now I am using a 4B pencil to draw the hair. Separate the part, draw the part separately. Draw a portion, then try to fill the gaps. Like one by one part, you will be able to do it. If you try to do the whole part with at once, then you will feel trouble, because I feel trouble, so maybe you will be. So at first do the part by part like this. See, I am doing part by part. At first I am doing the separate part. At first I am separating the parts, some sections. I am separating them in some sections, and then I am drawing the strokes for the hair. For blending, I will use a cotton bar. If you have tissue paper, if you don't have cotton bar, then it's okay. Just use your hand to blend it out, or you can use tissue paper and also blending stamp for blending. Now for the eyebrows, I'm just putting some strokes. And now for the eyes, I'm trying to darken the parts. Now I am using cotton bar that I have said before about it. For the lips, at first I am blending. Then I am putting two dots. Then I am connecting the dot. Try to dark the part between lips. Like this, you can darken the part of the lips. Now do the ear. It's almost done. Now I'm highlighting the eyes, nose and lips. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.